This video on the Neptune is by viewer request. So if you happen to have a request on somewhere on Fort Myers Beach where you would like to see an aerial footage on, please let me know in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe as well so you'll be notified of the video if I am able to get to it and do it. So this video on the Neptune here, I want to give you an update on what's happening. It's currently being demolished. It's in the works right now, and it's Extreme Demolition is the company that's doing the demolition. They were contracted to do it back in January of 2025. And the cost of the demolition is $377,000. And you can see how far along they've got already. They started it this last month in February. The Neptune was established in the 1960s. It was the oldest family resort on Fort Myers Beach. The ownership of it was actually under new ownership as of a year before Hurricane Ian hit. They purchased the property for $27 million. And then 1 year later, in September 22, it was destroyed by Hurricane Ian. They did get approval from the town council to rebuild the resort. And in fact, they actually doubled their density. So they're going to have basically a 148 unit hotel on site with a actual 150 seat restaurant that's going to be open on the premises, whereas they did not have a restaurant before. So that'll be a nice welcomed addition to the property. And then part of the public benefit is that they are deeding over to the town of Fort Myers Beach 16 parking spaces, in which the town in turn will be able to charge for parking. So that'll be a revenue stream for the town of Fort Myers Beach to collect from. And the permitting process for the new resort is expected to take about 6 to 8 months. And then the construction will start shortly after that, and it's expected to take up to around 2 years to complete. The new building is going to be, that was approved, is going to be about 6 stories tall. And then, like I mentioned, 148 rooms, whereas before it was 71 units that they had there on site. So let me know in the comments below what you think of the new design as well as the new plans for it. And if you're excited, as most people are, to see the Neptune come back. Many families enjoyed their stays at Neptune, went there every year, every season. And just many people absolutely cherish that property and staying there on vacation. So let me know in the comments below what you think of the new plans on the new build. And here we are just going forward in the recovery of Fort Myers Beach after the complete devastation of the island. It's great to see this progress being made. And I'm David Piper. I'm with Real Broker LLC, a real estate agent on the island. If you are in need of real estate service, buying or selling on the island or in Southwest Florida, I can help you. So be sure to contact me today. And I look forward to hearing from you. And also subscribe for more updates on Fort Myers Beach. I appreciate you watching, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.